Welcome to Captain America Crypto, coming to you with some XRP, baby. Looking cool this morning, ain't it? Just call me Hollywood. Captain America from Hollywood. We're going to get over here on the screen. We're going to do a little Captain America intro. I know you're liking it. And then we're going to get over here on the XRP charts, baby. Let's get this off. Kicked off. Let's go. How's everybody out there doing on this Sunday morning? It's 10 minutes after 10 a.m. at the time of this recording. Now, when it gets to you, it might be 12 noon, 11 noon, or 11 o'clock, or 12 noon. I don't know, but I can just only, I have to give YouTube time to try to give it pushed out to the right people, to my fan base. You hear me? We're going to get over here on the XRP chart. And right now, XRP is doing a little pullback. It's sitting at $2.63. It's up today. It's sitting at 1.58% on the day. Let's get over here and pull it up. It's sitting between the two fair value gap. I mean, the golden ratio right now. XRP has been trying to make its way up, y'all. I'm gonna pull these glasses off because I can't see a dang on thing. But we get over here, you got so-so volume. I ain't gonna say a whole bunch of no volume like we had back over here on the 24th and the 25th. It dropped down, and it's still moving up. I'm saying it's moving up because of Bitcoin. I don't know why. Very low to be going up over the weekend like this, with not a whole lot of volume. Makes you kind of wonder, you know. But XRP, I'm gonna see if we got these. Think. Let me do this again. I want to do this. I'm just doing this. Let's see where we at now. Take this off the chart. That ain't right. I went the wrong way with it. I'm gonna go low to high. Go somewhere right there. That'll be good enough. But we're at the one right now at $2.65. Could be seeing a little rejection right here on XRP. I'm trying to look, but the volume is really low on XRP right now. On the 1 hour chart, let's get over here to the 4 hour chart. like I say, we have the one at $2.65. Around that area, you're getting a rejection. I'm trying to see. There we are on the 4-hour chart. We got. Let me blow this up. We got a little imbalance right here. It's very small, not nothing big, not nothing major on the 4-hour chart. Around $2.57, $2.56, 58 cents, somewhere along there. That's in the middle of the range. I'm going by the middle of the range on the imbalance. All the way down here to right above this order block at $2.52. So I'm saying we could see a pullback. Now, don't take this wrong, but we don't necessarily have to fill these imbalances. But what I'm seeing in the volume here is we gradually go down, and then you got this last 4 hours, we got an hour and 44 minutes left in this 4-hour candle here. And right now we got selling going on. So we could pull back to $2.58. We could. Unless something changes with the volume and we get a push up above this one right now, we could be pulling back to this first imbalance here at $2.58. Don't panic. It's just a pullback, a small pullback. We could pull all the way down to here at $2.52, $2.53. But we do have some selling coming in here on this 4 hours that we own right now, on this 4-hour chart. It's not necessary. I'm not calling for XRP to pull all the way back down to the bottom here at 237. I'm saying we could pull back to the middle of the range right here, 257 down to 252, and get these imbalances. Not saying that they got to get filled. They can be left and filled at a later time, a later date. Like I said in my Bitcoin video, it could pull back. It could leave these imbalances and then fill them as we go back in, as the bear market, we go back into a bear market. But right now, these imbalances here kind of serve as a magnets. Magnets is what I'm trying to say. As you can see, this imbalance here, when we dropped on the 10th here, it dropped. Well, that imbalance, it was a strong imbalance here, and it served as a magnet. So once it wicked down and it got stabilized at 237, it came back up and it filled them imbalances. And what did it do? That was a strong imbalance. And what did it do? It retraced all the way back down to the 1 at $2.19, and it started. And now we on an upward trend. And all I'm saying, these imbalances, like that one to the downside, this one on the upside could pull back and fill these imbalances. I'm just giving you these case scenarios. But the good thing is it pulls back these imbalances here and fill these imbalances. You pull them back in this order block here. You pull back into fill these imbalances, pull back in the order blocks here. People buy at this price, around 248, 250, and to get a continuation up. That's all it is. And what it'll be doing, it'll be pulling back, filling these imbalances into the order blocks, getting some more buys here at the 618, bounce off the 618, get some momentum, and push on up further. That's all I'm trying to say. That's all I'm saying on XRP. Not trying to be negative, but just bringing you what it looks like, my scenario of what we're seeing right now. We are getting a rejection at the 1 at $2.65, because we're sitting at $2.63. We have moved above the 90-day on the 4-hour chart. We're above the 90-day EMA. and we're above the 730 and the 90. So I'm saying if we fall below the 90-day, we're gonna pull back and fill these imbalances, and we're gonna get back in this order block here, and then we'll build some momentum, some strength, have more buyers to come in, like me and you, buy some more XRP and continue up. And it all depends on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just sitting over here proving me wrong. I just made a chart saying I'm still bearish on Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is saying I'm gonna prove you wrong one more time. But it's got a little bit more ways to go before it proves me wrong. In all honesty, I hope it proves me wrong. I hope we go 150, 180,000, 200,000 like they said. But until it makes all-time new highs, I'm bearish on Bitcoin. I'm saying it's run the cycle out. So that's the only thing I'm saying. That's my point of view, not financial advice. So this is where we setting on XRP. I wanted to come give you an update on the chart, let you know where I stand at on XRP. I feel like it's going to pull back to this and fill these imbalances, get back into the order blocks, get some more buying to come in here, and then we'll move up above this one here. Then we can move up and then talk about getting up to 270, 275, get above the 1272 up here at $2.77 going into the week. So that's my scenario. Wanted to come at you and let you know. This market could be turning bullish. It could be proving me wrong. But and if it does, I'll gladly accept that. I'll gladly I'll be happy about it. I ain't gonna be negative. I'll be wrong. And it's a case where if you're wrong, it's a happy wrong. You know what I'm saying? Because if you're wrong and you're making money, cause you was wrong, it's a happy wrong. Don't have much, but it happens. But I just want to come at you and let you know that, give you an update, cut these videos short. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel. And if you like crypto, you're into crypto, you're a subscriber, let me know in the comments. And I like to know how many subscribers I do got that's into crypto, that listen to the channel cause of crypto, not cause of shorts or anything. I make short videos too, but it pertains to other things, not necessarily crypto. But like I say, like the channel, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless you. I'll be back shortly with ZEBEC and I don't know about XCN, but I'm going to cover it. I'm going to cover it in the bottom of the dump, and I'm going to cover it when it gets to $1. So I'm going to support it all I can. I'm not getting paid for it, but I'm going to support it. I'm going to stand behind it because I hold it. But God bless you. See you on the next one.